Good morning, students. This is Maithili, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Dear students, today we are going to see the same exact method problems. See the first one. Solve the equation. Solve the equation y cube minus 2x square y into dx plus 2y square x minus x cube into dy is equal to 0. Okay, first write the solution, write the given equation. See the equation, the given equation is not exact. The given equation is not exact. We have to reducible this exact, not this equation to exact. This is the procedure. It is not exact, but it is of homogeneous type. The equation is not exact equation, but it is a homogeneous type. So the last class I gave two notes. Okay, if the equation is not exact and it is of homogeneous type, means how can we find the integrating factor? So by using that notes, so this equation can be solved by putting y is equal to zx. This is nothing but because of homogeneous. Homogeneous is nothing but it is of same degree. See y cube, the first degree is 3 and next is minus 2y into x square. So y into x square, here the degree is also 3. Y means y power 1 x square. So 2 plus 1 3. Here the degree is also 3. So 3 3. See the next one, 2xy square. X means x power 1 y square. So 1 plus 2, here the degree is also 3 and then x cube. So here all the degree values are 3. So it is the homogeneous equation. So all the degrees are having same degree, n is equal to 3. So it is called the homogeneous equation. But this is not exact. Exact means what? We have to find dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. So it is not exact. So here we shall solve this by using the integrating factor. So we have to find the integrating factor. So how can we find the integrating factor from this method? Mx plus ny. Mx plus ny. That is, the equation is not exact, but it is of a homogeneous type, means we have to find integrating factor using mx plus ny. I know that m is equal to y cube minus 2y x square into x plus ny. N is nothing but 2x y square minus x cube into y. So after solving this, we get 3xy cube minus 3x cube y, which is not equal to 0. That is, mx plus ny is not equal to 0 means the integrating factor can be written as 1 by mx plus ny. So that is the first note. What is 1 by mx plus ny? That is nothing but 1 by mx plus ny is 3xy cube minus 3x cube y. So just 3 is not equal, just leave it the constant term. So for using the integrating factor, leave the constant term and consider only the variables. So what are the variables? X y cube minus x cube y. So in this term, take xy common. We get xy into y square minus x square. So this is the integrating factor. Clear, girls? So see the problem. This is solve the equation. The given equation is not exact, but it is of homogeneous type. Homogeneous type means we have to solve by using integrating factor, that is mx plus ny. So where mx plus ny is not equal to 0 means the integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. So after finding mx plus ny, just leave the constant term and take only the variables. So that is 1 by xy into y square minus x square is the integrating factor for this problem. Okay, so multiply the given equation by the integrating factor 1 by xy into y square minus x square. Just multiply the terms. What we get? Y cube minus 2x square y divided by xy into y square minus x square into dx plus the next term 2x y square minus x cube divided by xy into y square minus x square into dy is equal to 0. Just we have to multiply the given equation by the integrating factor. Right. From the numerator, take y outside. From the denominator, cancelling y. The same, the second term, numerator, take x term outside. And from the denominator, cancelling both x term. So we get the factors are y square minus 2x square by x into y square minus x square into dx plus 2y square minus x square divided by y into y square minus x square into dy is equal to 0. Right. Now, the next term is y square minus, just take the 2x square can be written as minus x square minus x square. Minus 2x square can be written as minus x square minus x square. Same one, 2y square can be written as y square plus y square. So, you have to rewritten the term as y square minus x square in one bracket minus x square divided by the denominator plus 2y square, right? So y square minus x square in one bracket plus y square divided by the denominator into dy is equal to 0. Now split the terms. Write the term in separate term. Y square minus x square by x into y square minus x square into dx minus x square by x into y square minus x square into dx plus y square minus x square divided by y into y square minus x square into dy plus y square divided by y into y square minus x square into dy is equal to 0. The next step is just write the term separately. So after cancelling the terms, like terms, we get the first term is 1 by x into dx. The second term is x by y square minus x square into dx. The third term 1 by y into dy. And the fourth term y by y square minus x square into dy is equal to 0. The next step is integrating. 1 by x into dx log x. And next one, see x divided by y square minus x square. So that is nothing but 1 by 2 log of y square minus x square. Okay. Plus 1 by y dy log y. See the fourth term, y divided by y square minus x square into dy, that is 1 by 2 log of y square minus x square is equal to the, all the terms are in logarithm, you have to using the constant for logarithm. So that is apply log c. We are in the, after integrating we get all the terms in log form. So we have to use the log in constant term also, that is equal to log c. Right. So listen, first log x plus log y. See the terms, 1 by 2 log of y square minus x square plus 1 by 2 log of y square minus x square is nothing but 2 by 2 log of y square minus x square. 2 by 2 getting cancelled, we get simply log of y square minus x square is equal to log c. So this is in the form of log m plus log n plus log, that is log x plus log y plus log z is equal to x, y, z, right? So after removing log we get x, y square minus x square is equal to c. Right. So this is the type of the problem. The given equation is not exact, but the equation is the homogeneous type. So we have to find the integrating factor as mx plus ny is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0 means the integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. In this term, we have to consider only the variables. Just leave the constant term. So multiplying the given equation by the integrating factor, after solving the terms and integrating the terms, we get the solution xy into y square minus x square is equal to c. Right. See the next sum. This is a given equation. See the given equation, it is of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. It is not exact, but it is a homogeneous equation. Right. For this is also homogeneous equations of order 3. Okay. Also find same method mx plus ny. So here mx plus ny, after finding mx plus ny, we get x square y square. This x square y square is not equal to 0. Okay, so the mx not equal to 0 means what is the integrating factor? 1 by mx plus ny. That is 1 by x square y square. So multiplying the equation 1 with 1 by x square y square. This is the next step. Okay girls. So after multiplying, just cancelling the like terms. So we get, after cancelling the like terms and separate the terms. So we get x by xy dx, that is nothing but the final term is 1 by y dx minus 2 by x dx plus 3 by y dy minus x by y square dy is equal to 0. So next step we have to see, the next step is 1 by, here the variables are, there is no term, 1 by y into dx. Okay, 2 by x into dx. That is, you have to group the term. See, first write the dx terms. 1 by y minus 2 by x into dx. plus 3 by y minus x by y square into dy is equal to 0. Now take, what is the m? M is equal to 1 by y minus 2 by x, and n is equal to 3 by y minus x by y square. So now find dou m by dou y. That is nothing but minus 1 by y square. And then find dou n by dou x is equal to minus 1 by y square. See, the equations are in exact. So what is the equation exact means? What is the solution? Integral m dx, that is y is constant, plus integral n dy not containing x is equal to c. So using the term, what is the integral m dx? M is equal to 1 by y minus 2 by x into dx, plus integral n dy. N, in the term n, we didn't take the x term. We should not take the x term. That is n dx. That is 3 by y into dy is equal to c. So after integrating, we get integral 1 by y into dx minus integral 2 by x dx plus integral 3 by y dy is equal to c. So we get x by y minus 2 log x plus 3 log y is equal to c. So in this problem, this is also, the given equation is not exact term. It is a homogeneous function. So we find mx plus ny is not equal to 0. We get x square, y square is the integrating factor. So the integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. So we get 1 by x square, y square. We have to multiply the given equation with integrating factor 1 by x square, y square. We get the terms. Just cancel the like terms and separate the terms. And now see the term here in this problem, m, we get m and n, and check whether it is an exact equation. That is dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x. So it is an exact equation. So in this exact equation, the solution is integral m dx, that is y is constant, and integral n dy not containing x is equal to c. After integrating, we get the value x by y minus 2 log x plus 3 log y is equal to c. See the next sum. Y into xy plus 2x square y square dx plus x into xy minus x square y square dy is equal to 0. See the problem, this is not exact, but it is of the form note 2. Note 2. What is note 2? F of x comma y into y dx plus g of x comma y into x dy is equal to 0. See the term. The terms in y into xy plus 2x square y square dx plus x into the term multiply with x term and y term. Okay, for it is in the second note method, that is f of x comma y y dx plus g of x comma y x dy is equal to 0. For the given equation is not exact, but it is of the form function form. So here the integrating, it is homogeneous, means the integrating factor is mx plus ny. But in the function form means the integrating factor is mx minus ny. So find mx minus ny, we get 3x cube y cube is not equal to 0. So you have to consider only the variables. Take the constant. So 3 is a constant. Just leave the constant and taking only the variables. So the integrating factor here is 1 by mx minus ny. The last problem, integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. But here the integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. So that is 1 by x cube y cube. So multiply the equation 1 with 1 by x cube y cube, we get this equation. Okay, just cancelling the equal terms. Okay, and separate the dx term and dy term, we get, listen, see here, 1 by x square y plus 2 by x into dx plus 1 by x y square minus 1 by y dy is equal to 0. Now find m and n, dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x. See the terms are equal. So it is an exact form. What is exact means? What is the solution? Integral m dx, this is y constant, plus integral n dy not containing x is equal to c. So after integrating, we get the solution is minus 1 by xy plus log x square by y is equal to c. For this is a function, this is a problem. The given equation is not exact, but it is of the form of the note 2, that is f of x comma y y dx plus g of x comma y x dy. In this method, integrating factor is mx minus ny, and the integrating factor is written as 1 by mx minus ny. So after multiplying the terms, we get the term in the form of the exact form, that is we have to find dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. If it is equal means write the solution in the form integral m dx plus integral n dy is equal to c. We get the solution. See the fourth problem, the same method. It is of the form, it is not exact, right? It is not exact, but it is of the form f of x comma y y dx plus g of x comma y x dy. So it is not in the form means you have to find the integrating factor as mx minus ny. So mx minus ny, what we get? 2x square y square into xy plus 1. Okay, so you have to take the constant term and write the variables alone. So integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. So here the problem 1 by x square y square into xy plus 1. So multiplying the equation with the integrating factor. So after rearranging the terms, we get the equation. What we get the equation? See, x square y square plus 1 by x square y square into y dx, x plus x square y square plus 1 by x square y square into x dy minus 2x y by x square y square into x dy is equal to 0. So the next step, just take x square y square plus 1 divided by x square y square. We get y dx plus x dy plus, so here we get x getting cancelled y. So we get minus 2 by y dy is equal to 0. Okay. So y dx plus x dy is nothing but differentiation of xy. So just split the term. We get 1 plus 1 by x square y square differentiation of xy minus 2 by y dy is equal to 0. Now integrating we get differentiation of xy is nothing but xy, and this is what we get 1 by x square y square differentiation of xy is xy. So we can write 1 by xy the whole square into xy minus 2 log y is equal to c. By cancelling the term xy plus 1 by xy minus 2 log y is equal to c. For this is in the method. So now the homework sums are given. First sum is a node 2 method, that is in the form of f of x comma y, right, into y dx plus g of x comma y into x dy, the first sum. And second and third sum in the form of homogeneous type. Just try all the problems, girls, just go through the sums. Study the nodes. First node 1 and node 2. What's the node 1? Node 1, the given function is not exact, but it is homogeneous, means the integrating factor can be found using mx plus ny, and the integrating factor is nothing but 1 by mx plus ny. Suppose if the function is not exact, but it is of the form f of x comma y into y dx plus g of x comma y into x dy, means the integrating factor is used to find mx minus ny, that is 1 by mx minus ny. That is a procedure. Okay girls, if you have any doubts, you can call me. I will clear your doubts. Thank you.